Hi everyone, we're getting close to the end of the Ireland series. I reckon there's about 8 or 9 videos left. It's been quite a long series because the trip was about 8 or 9 weeks. We're thinking of doing a series of question and answer videos, giving you the opportunity to ask anything about our van life, our trips, Harry the van, van life topics, and any questions about Jane and I. Having had Harry for over 4 years, we thought it's about time we faced the music, so to speak, so put them in the comments. Also, with respect to our video schedule, we'll continue to release our main longer format vlogs on a Friday at the new time of 7 PM UK time. I've also been releasing a video short every Wednesday, but we're going to change that slightly and release a normal video, but it'll still be short in duration. It'll be on various topics, from maybe previewing the forthcoming video or a van life topic, or maybe a product discussion, etc. Basically anything about van life that we'll do, so keep an eye out for that.